Industry, IT consulting, IT services. It was founded in 1968. The founder was Ratan Tata, headquarters in Mumbai. Key person K. Chandrasekharan, CEO and MD. Introduction. Tata Consultancy Services is a provider of information technology. It provides a wide range of services, including business consulting, information technology, business process, outsourcing, the infrastructure, and engineering. The company operates in Americas, Europe, Middle East, and Asia Pacific. The company is headquartered in Mumbai. The company is a part of one of the India's most respected business in the Tata Group. History of TCS. In 1981, TCS established India's first dedicated software research and development center, the Tata Research Development and Design Center, TRDDC, in Pune. In 1985, TCS established India's first client dedicated offshore development center, set up for client Tandem. In 2005, TCS became the first Indian based IT services company to enter into the bioinformation market. The vision, mission, and the values. Vision to grow sustainably and help our customers achieve sustainable growth through our green solutions and service offerings. Mission to help customers achieve their business objectives by providing innovative, best in class consulting, IT solutions, and services. Values integrity, leading change, excellence, respect for the individual, and fostering an environment of learning and sharing. Today, Tata has 904 active and varied clients with a diverse workforce with over 1 lakh 7,000 employees. Global presence 169 offices in 47 countries. First and largest software R&D center in India with 9.6 million investment. TSC services, IT services, asset based solutions, global consulting, engineering and industrial services, IT infrastructure, and BPO. Business served by Tata, banking, insurance, financial services, manufacturing, energy and utilities, retail and consumer goods, transportation, telecom, government, life sciences and healthcare, media and entertainment. Important products offered. Hospital management software, Tata HMS, Tata BioSuite, Mastercraft modeling tool for software architecture, ADEX modeling tool and repository for storing application models, Apollo insurance software, IIMS integrated insurance management system. Tata's global presence, 18 offices in US and Canada, 12 offices in 7 countries in Latin America, 11 offices in the UK and Ireland, 22 offices in 12 countries in Europe, 18 offices in 12 countries in Asia Pacific, 7 offices in 6 countries in the Middle East and Africa, 52 offices in 12 locations in India. Requirements for job in Tata. Direct application process. This process need criteria to apply via official TSC career page if job seeker has minimum of 60% and above in class 10th, class 12th and under graduation, PG and less than 2 years gap in academic career. Experienced professionals need to create profile by registering information to career page. Thank you all for your attention.